trying to get hyped up. Oh my god, I literally just woke up from a nap and my friends want to go Sunday Funday, and I was like, well, why not just like film a little get ready with me, like watch me turn from a troll into a trap wife. I'm kidding. No. Not a troll into a trap wife, but a troll into something that look better than this. Hold on, I gotta turn my light down. I feel like it's like really bright. Do a little get ready with me on some spring makeup because it is a fine 60 degrees in Chicago right now. I'm shook, y'all. It's 12 degrees out here like all the time, so my little Texas body is ready for the sun. But I'm gonna start off with this little Morphe setting spray. This is the new one, luminous setting spray, because my face is real dry. I feel like I need some more. This setting spray, like the mist is so fine on it, which is amazing. I don't know what they're putting in their, like in the little sprayer, that thing, yeah. Let me zoom up a little bit closer so you guys can actually, you know, see the face that we're getting into. Edges are not done. Bun is sliding. It's okay, we're gonna get it right. I'm going to go in with my Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint. Since my face has been so dry lately, I mean, I've just been using this. It's really liquidy and it's really light because I have been steering away from like those crazy full coverage days, but I did do one pump of my Fenty Beauty Hydrating, you know what this is, foundation. Double this all over the face, spread it round. The sun is like so high in the sky right now. I wake up and I'm like, ooh. I had to close my entire shade or we'd be in here being blasted out. Going in with my NARS Creamy Concealer. What color do I wear? Light 2.6 Cafe Con Leche. That's the color. And I like to put on my foundation still kind of wet, so they can meld together real nice. Put some here because I'll be getting super red on my nose. Got it down the nose, deep, deep, deep. Boom. This lighting's okay. I always feel like it's deceiving. Where's my beauty blender? Oh, I feel like it's deceiving, like when I'm in my like in the viewfinder. That's just me. Anybody else have that problem? Chef kiss. It's like this strawberry Perrier. Is it Pierre or is it Perrier? The smell smells like strawberry Fanta. The taste is, you know, like a LaCroix essence-y water, but like I just, the flavor. Tour with Truffle by Fenty, my go-to always. And that has hair in my lip. Using all Sigma brushes here. Besides this one, I got this one at HEB. If you live in Texas, you know where that's at. But does this look like something is making this shadowy? Do you see that? I don't think it's something I can prevent. But I'm using all Sigma brushes. You guys can use my code, which I'll link it down below. On any because that's the only brushes I use, and they have never led me wrong. This is really bothering me. Let's see what happens if I just open this. Ooh! I don't know about that. Let's see. You see, we're just gonna. I don't like that. My face doesn't look this weirdly patchy in real life. It's the freaking shades. Every time, okay, honest hour real quick. Every time that I have been trying to like film a video, it just seems as if something goes wrong, or I just like really hate it, or I'm like really insecure about it. So that's kind of why I haven't posted, and I'm trying to get my baking powder out. Kind of why I haven't posted in like a good minute. Because I feel like nothing is just ever how I want it, and for some reason back in the day it was just, maybe I was less hard on myself, I don't know, but I hope this video actually makes it out, because I have a lot of videos I ain't never seen the light of YouTube. Just sit in my iMovie. I'm gonna bake the contour and the concealer with some Coty Airspun. But yeah, I don't know why I'm like that, but it's like things like this that make me not even want to post a video, because it's not like perfect. And to me, it like always has to be perfect, so that's where we're at. I might put this out just to like push myself to, you know, let myself know it doesn't always have to be like super, super perfect. I don't know, but it's like when I drop down the computer and it looks bad, I'm like, this sucks, I can't do this. I get all upset about it. Sip this. And act like this video might not be ruined because of the way the sun is sitting. Come on, man. I am not explaining this to y'all, how I be doing these brows. This is not an explanation tutorial. I guess maybe until I get to like my eyeshadow it'll be explanatory, but for now it's just all of my like ADD rambling. I bake off with my MAC Studio Fix powder in NC43. Get to the eyes. I'm gonna do something like really, really springy. I've been itching to use more colors in this Mercury in Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty. So we're gonna use that super minty color, Haze. If you have the palette, you know what I'm talking about. But I'm going to prime my eyes just with my concealer. This is the color Haze right here. Real minty. It's supposed to be real fun. So I'm really only going to use that color this entire time and just like lighten it and deepen it with the different brushes I'm using. So I just realized I really gotta like clean off the brushes, like really make sure I just keep the washcloth like right by me and really swirl my brushes around on it so I don't have any browns or like anything else that could harm the pigment of this color. Flat brush here and really pack down the color. Ooh, dab some off on my lid. Take a blending brush. This is a Sigma tapered blending brush, the E40, which I use this brush a ton. I just kind of start to dab and blend. She's such a smoky out blue, so cute. Okay, I'm gonna do the same for the other eye, and I'll be right back while I do that. All super blue and blended. I'm going to take that same blue eyeshadow and bring it under my lash line. Super blue. Okay, so I'm going to go in with Super Moon, which is right under, and put that in my inner corners with this little pointy pencil brush. And this is an E30 by Sigma. Just take my Fenty mascara and do a quick little coat on both my eyes just before we pop the lashes on. I'm gonna put on some little Ardell wispies here, and I'm just gonna grease these little bad boys up. Grease them up with my most trusted lash glue, the Kiss adhesive with aloe vera. Like, seriously, if you're not using it, use it. It has a brush tip. I feel like I've literally like gotten my face wet with this lash glue and lashes were intact. While my lashes are drying, I always take this opportunity to just finish off the rest of my face since it's pretty quick. I take my little mini baby tester of the NARS Orgasm blush. I got this for free at Sephora, and I was just like, I forgot how much I love this blush. With its baby mirror. Put that on my cheeks. I'm gonna go in with some Fenty. This is Mo Honey, an afternoon snack. And is this afternoon snack? I'm gonna take Mo Honey and use that as my highlighter. You know, it's my favorite part to highlight. Down the nose. I'm gonna pop these lashes on and change my clothes, and we're gonna be back. A brand new bitch. We're gonna get these little finishing touches off. So, my little mirror again. Lashes are on and everything. And the light is still weird, but anyway. Go in with my cafe liner from NYX and line my lips. Hope you can see that. I definitely just realized that I forgot to take a thumbnail of my before. I swear one day I'm gonna get good at this. I'm gonna get better. Okay, so I'm gonna take this Essence Shine Gloss. Look, my hair looks like a witch right now. Actually, when I said I went to go do my hair, I lied. I just took it down off the bun, and this is what we're working with. Okay. So I'm gonna take this gloss and like blend out those lines that I just made. We're here with the final look. Feeling very like 80s glam bitch. 80s glam witch has arrived. Bitch, is it Apollonia? Is it? Bitch, it's Apollonia as fuck. Okay, so here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed my little get ready with me and my ADD rant. I'll be back for more videos. It's real soon. I'll catch you guys later. Bitch squad, we out.